Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. Starting to spray. As soon as you stop, spray stops, changing the lane, coming back as soon as you start, spray starts, running on 2 meters per second. We stop and the spray stops, changing lane, going forward. Right now you can see we are losing altitude there because terrain is high and we don't have a terrain follow radar. So we have to manually control the altitude. If we install the terrain follow radar, it will automatically adjust the altitude. Until then, I have to use throttle to do it. Please note that it's raining, very light raining, and we are flying in raining. So far, no issues at all. Getting lighter because more than half tank is gone already. Okay, this is our break point right here. I'm going to activate auto return to home. At 10 meters altitude that we have set. take off, it automatically goes there where we stopped spraying. You see now it's losing altitude there. That was the point, the break point, and that's where we stopped spraying and activated auto return to home. So it remembers that point, and as soon as you take off, it automatically goes there, and now you can resume your spraying from that area. This is a very, very useful feature here. You don't have to memorize where was the last point to spray. All right, I'm gonna land because our tank is almost done. Awesome.